In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord age verification not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different ways what we can try to fix this, and we'll start the most common fix first. So basically, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, so we can go ahead and refresh and restart Discord. So if you've got Discord open, hit Control and R on your keyboard, and that's going to refresh Discord. Or we can go ahead and fully close Discord, so we can right click it inside of your task manager. So get in task manager, and then once it opens, we can click onto Discord here, right click it and end task, and then reopen. Okay, next fix is to go ahead and open up the browser version. So if the desktop app isn't working, open your browser, go to the official site for Discord, it's discord.com, log in and attempt the age verification there. So sometimes the browser version works better than the app. Now, if you have been using the web version, another thing what we can try is clear the app and cache. So go ahead and click on the three dots, click in the settings, and then from here on the left hand side, click on privacy security, then click delete browsing data. And now we want to go ahead and click on show more, and just make sure cached images of files and cookies and other site data is selected. Click on to more, click on all time, and click on delete data. And now to clear the Discord cache as well for the app, we want to go ahead and open up run. So we need to go ahead and click on your Windows key and R at the same time, and your run box should appear like so. And then click on, put this code in, %appdata%, click on OK. Now from here, you should be inside your app data. Now we need to go ahead and delete the Discord file. So here it is here. So right click, click on to delete, make sure that is delete, and then reopen Discord and log back in. Now, if you've got any VPNs or proxies in the background, just go ahead and disable them, because Discord may block verification. So yeah, turn off your VPNs, restart Discord, and try it again. Now, some networks block verification services. So if you're using Wi-Fi data, go ahead and swap over to cellular, or just use a different Wi-Fi connection if possible. Now, the last fix here might not be on your end, it might actually be on Discord. So basically, we want to go ahead and check for server status. So just type in Discord server status and basically open up any of the top results and see if there are any outages. If there are, basically you just need to wait it out. But what I've found, these outages don't last for long, so it could only be for 5-15 minutes, no more than an hour.